Welcome to lesson 23. Grab your journal and at the top write lesson 23. Okay, then grab some straws and some scissors and then your journal and pencil or pen. Okay, pause me and go grab that. This lesson is going to be fun. Okay, we're learning about fractions, right? So, this is one whole straw, right? This is our whole. There's one whole straw. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to grab another one. Grab another straw. And I want you to cut it the best you can into 4 equal pieces. And just the best you can. It won't be exact, but we can do our best, right? Cut them into 4 equal pieces. Okay. Pause me if you need more time. Okay. What is each of these pieces then? 1/4, right? This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4, and this is 1/4. What if I have 2? What's that? 2/4, right? What if I have 3? What's that? 3/4. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this one into 4ths too. Can you cut this one into 4ths? Pause me if you need more time. Okay. Now, look at how many 4ths we have. Wow, we have a lot of 4ths here. How many 4ths do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we have 8 4ths? In your journal, can you write that down? Can you write down 8 4ths? That seems like a funny fraction, doesn't it? We have more on top than we do on the bottom. So 8/4, how many wholes does that equal? Do you remember if we put it all back together? That equals 2, doesn't it? It equals 2 wholes. Okay, what if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What if I have 5/4? What does that equal? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there's a whole. And one more 4th. So 5/4 equals 1 whole and 1/4. Can you guys write that down? Okay, what if I have 6/4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does that equal? It equals 1 whole. And how many 4ths left over? 2/4, right? 2/4. Okay, what if I have 7/4? What if I have 7/4? What does that equal? Can you pause me and figure that out? Did you figure it out? Okay, what does 7/4 equal? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our whole. And then 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That equals 1 whole and 3/4. So 7/4 equals 1 whole and 3/4. Okay, make sure you have those all written down in your journal, okay? Okay, good. Okay, now keep your straws that you've cut up. Keep them in a nice little pile. And can you grab 2 more straws? Let's grab 2 more straws, okay? Try to grab a different color. Same color, like different color as this, but 2 of the same color. So I'm going to grab pink. Okay. Let's cut this up into thirds, okay? So pause me if you need more time. Cut both of them up into thirds. Okay, so here is 1 hole, and here is 1 hole, and we've cut it up into thirds. Okay, go to a new page in your journal, okay? Okay, can you write down 5 thirds? What does 5 thirds equal? So 1, 2, 3. There's our hole. So we have 1 hole. And then how much left? 1, 2. So, and then 2 thirds. So 1 and 2 thirds. Can you write that down? Okay. What if we have 4 thirds? What does 4 thirds equal? Can you pause me and try it? Okay, so 4 thirds. Well, here's our hole. 1, 2, 3. So we have a hole. So we have 1 hole. And then how many more thirds do we have? Well, we had 4 thirds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 1 hole and 1 third. Okay, what if we have 6 thirds? 6 thirds. Okay, what does that equal? Can you pause me and figure it out? Okay, so 6 thirds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That equals 2 holes. Or 2. Equals 2. Okay, good. All right. Put these aside. And can you grab 2 more straws of the same color? I'm going to do orange this time. Okay, we got to cut this up into 6 equal pieces. The best we can. So again, is it going to be perfect? No, but do the best you can to cut this up into 6 equal pieces. Okay. There's one of mine. Okay, pause me if you need more time. Now let's make our holes again, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, have you got your holes? Okay, let's look at this. So each of these pieces is 1/6, right? Each of them is 1/6. So what if we grab a new paper in your journal if you need it? What if we have 8/6? 8/6. What does that equal? Pause me. See if you can figure it out. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my hole. So we know we have one hole. So there's 6 and then 2 more. 7, 8. So we have one hole and 2 sixths. Okay, can you write these down in your journal? 9 sixths equals 7 sixths equals and 11 sixths equals. Okay, pause me and see if you can figure those out. Okay, did you figure them out? What does 9 sixths equal? Well, I know I have a whole hole there with 6 of them. And then I have 3 more. So 3 sixths. Okay, let's do 7 sixths. 7 sixths. Well, I have a whole hole and then 1 more sixth. So I have a whole and 1 sixth. Okay, 11 sixths. I know that I have a hole. And then how many more? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 more sixths. All right, great job today. Now, your straws, I want you to keep because we're going to use them again. So go find a Ziploc bag or something that you can keep them in so that we can do them for another lesson, okay? Good job today.